taking trips, cause I never tripped on what they said.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Team AA, and in this video we will be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S10, which is going to release in the coming year, and we are really excited about this phone because this is going to touch beyond the limits of technology, because this is going to be insanely huge package for Android users and Samsung lovers. Of course, it is going to be a much competitive year in the 2019, and the 2018 is still much of a competitive year, but 2019 will be the year for most of the flagships, where a lot of flagship devices are going to surprise us massively. So what is going to be a big deal in the S10, and how does it compare to the S9? So first of all, the leaks confirm that the S10 is going to have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Yes, we have been thinking of an in-display fingerprint scanner from a lot back. We were going to thinking about this in the S8 in 2016 or 17 or something, and now this is actually going to be true. The in-display fingerprint scanner uses the same technology as the Vivo one, and it will be a much mature one, and it is going to be official by the Samsung coming year. So design wise, this device is going to be a huge package, because there are further design leaks that suggest a notch, but that was really rejected by most of the tech YouTubers, because the Samsung is highly advertising notch as a bad thing. They are really making fun of Apple's notch, so I don't think so the notch is coming to the S10 anytime. And I'm going to see that Samsung may eliminate the bottom bezel to give it more area, and this will be surprising kind of aspect ratio for a device in 2019. Let's see what Samsung does to the device. I hope Samsung takes the best decision, and let's really. So another surprising thing we are going to see in the Galaxy S10 might be the triple cameras outlet. Yes, we might be seeing a triple camera in a Samsung device for the first time ever, and it might be a second device in the world to have triple cameras like the P20 Pro. There might be a third camera for 5x hybrid zoom, or maybe 3x telephoto optical zoom. And the fourth leak is about the RAM and storage capacities of the device. So this device may have 6 gigs RAM variant as a permanent storage member, and it may eliminate the 4 gigs of RAM variant, and Samsung may be just sticking towards the 6 gigs of RAM variant as the default RAM variant for its Note series as well, as it is the Samsung's S anniversary series. I am hoping for something really special from Samsung. I mean, really, Samsung, please surprise us like you surprised us previously from the S8 design, and we are seeing the same thing in the S9, but we need to really be surprised about the S10. So chipset wise, the Samsung is going to be rocking the Exynos 9820 chipset maybe, or Snapdragon 855 in some variants. Although we can just estimate how good a smartphone can be, but we can really not be able to really dig deeper how the device design would be at this moment. But let's wait and see how the Samsung S10 performs, where there are a lot of flagship devices in the 2019. This was Sun, and I'm signing out. Peace out.